Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for the amazing response on the first video. Thank you for your support, your feedback and your suggestions. I really appreciate it. So today's prank is a spontaneous one. We were planning to film something else, but then this happened. So yeah, it's a classic prank. Let's see how people react to me farting. Excuse me guys, we're making a funny video for YouTube. The cameraman is there. We're filming a funny video. So our channel's name is Shillong Tube. So can we use your reaction just now in the video? Alright. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, thank you. We're filming a funny video for YouTube. Yes. So can we use your reaction on the video? The camera guy is there. Guys, I don't know if they were laughing. We'll go once more. You hear that farting noise? It's actually we're doing a funny video for YouTube for our channel.
I thought it was this bridge, okay? Because we were walking, I thought it was this bridge.
Yeah, you didn't hear the second time again?
No.
Actually, we're filming there, the camera guy is there. So I don't know, can we use the reaction? We're just shooting a funny video for YouTube. Can we use your reaction in the video? The cameramen are there. We're making a funny farting video. There, the camera people are there. Can we use your reaction for our video? People. Alright.
You do with them.
No, you just now you heard the noise. We finished to record already. It's already recording. Alright. Okay, can we use the footage? Alright, thank you. Brother, we're filming a funny video for YouTube.
Okay.
Called Party and
Okay.
So can we use your reaction? The camera people are there.
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay.
Shillong Tube, alright?
Okay.
Shillong Tube.
Shillong Tube.
Yeah. Thank you. Bro. Bro, We're making a funny video for YouTube. Can we use your reaction? Just now I made that sound. The camera guy is there.
Yes.
Can we use? That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to give a shout out to those 3 Naga guys that I pranked on the bridge. Unfortunately, we didn't get your reaction because the cameraman was busy adjusting, so I'm so sorry, guys. Anyway, if you like the video, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time with another prank.